This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Soyong Yu. Come check out this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home quietly situated Gatesville. This home has some nice upgrades in the kitchen with new granite countertops and sliding cabinet inserts. This home sits on a large lot with a 200 square feet plus workshop/flex room detached from the main home. It has electricity and air conditioner, also its own pulled-down attic for extra storage. All measurements to be verified by the buyer/agent. Home is easy to show. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Soyong Yu at 254-547-9991.